then if it is Kharif, then DCB during the disbursal of the Kharif loan or Boro loan, they should fix the due date. Then the problem will be solved.
তাহলে
So
আমরা
any-
কি পয়েন্টটা রাখবো, মানে কি
So
মনে
yes,
করছেন?
sir. Now this is not a lookout for the auditors. Basically,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
this point can be removed, ma'am. If this is not
Ankit ji,
what you want.
and also
No,
we
it
have the
cannot be
MD.
removed.
Ankit ji,
No,
we
Yes,
also
yes.
have the
our point is that in the NPA statement, for the ST crop loan, due date should be as per the seasonality of the crop, as per the as the recommendation of the SLBC. It should be there.
Okay, that is the right approach. I think it is exclusively banks.
Sir, ma'am, the due date, whatever you will mention in this due date master, the same will be reflected in the NPA report. So let's say the packs themselves are entering the due dates wrong. If they are not entering the correct figures, then the same will be reflected in the NPA report as well. So actually, that this thing has to be fed correctly only by the packs people.
Okay.
Whatever will be fed in this due date master, the same will be reflected in the NPA report. So, and with regards to the seasonality discipline, this thing is already there in the due date master. I think that Mahmoodji may try to add up. on this thing.
অঙ্কেজি
Yes, yes.
অঙ্কেজি সুকান্ত যেটা বলতে চাইছে, এটা ম্যানুয়ালি ফিক্স না করে অটো করার জন্য, জাস্ট খারিফ লোন হলেই ডিউ ডেট অটোমেটিক্যালি শুড বি ফিক্সড।
yes sir,
এইটা
yes,
আনার
sir.
জন্য
Sir, yes, sir, if you added in the due date master, whatever the Kharif and what is the due date, so based on that, when you give the loan disbursement to the member, system automatically pick the due date from the due date master.
that
Yes,
should
sir.
be done. That should be.
Yes, sir, it is already available, sir, but the society people has to be define the due date master for each and every crop for the each and every financial year. So that is the functionality is available right now. But anyway, we have the MDM master also, master data management. We are giving the user to the state cooperative bank or DCCB levels. They only fix the scale of finance. They only fix the due date master. Everything they only fix. So based on that, no need to do any societies on this. This is the DCCBs only fix the everything from their end. It is also available.
Yes, sir. This MDM functionality, what Mahmoodji is sharing, it is basically a master login for the DCCVs and HTCVs. So they will have their separate credentials, and they can define the due dates and the disbursement date for every seasonality and for every crop. So here packs don't need to do anything. That will be reflected across all the packs. Let's say 100 packs are under one particular DCCV. If DCCV enters the details in their master login screen, the same will be reflected in all the packs for that particular DCCV in the ERP. They do not need to enter manually one by one. Every packs need not enter one by one. Yes, yes, and that is already, this is a separate customization, sir, we have already taken up. I mean, this is not part of audit customizations, but rather a separate customization that the state has requested. So that is also under process, sir. Actually, this master data management functionality that will be rolled out to all the DCCVs. So all the 20 DCCV, 17 DCCV and 3 regions of HTCV, they will have their separate login credentials, and all the packs under their purview, they will have the same scale of finance, due date, and disbursement dates for different seasonality and different crops. Yes, yes.
আমার তো মনে হচ্ছে তাই, যখন ওখানে ওদের এন্ডে এটা অপশন দিয়ে দিয়েছে,
অঙ্কিত ঠিকই বলছে,
তাই না? ঠিকই। এটা তো লাস্ট কাস্টমাইজেশন যেটা হয়েছে সেখান থেকে
এটা এনপিএস স্টেটমেন্টে ভুল আসছিল ডিউ ডেটটা, তাই জন্য আসছে।
सर अगर we'll check, सर अगर एनपीएस स्टेटमेंट में गलत आ रहा है तो मे बी we'll check the due date. एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल लेके we'll check what is entered in the due date master. वो चेक करने के बाद अगर फिर भी गलत आ रहा है, अगर टैली नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब जो पैक्स ने डाला है और सेम चीज अगर एनपीए रिपोर्ट्स में दिखा नहीं रहा है, देन हम लोग विल इन्फॉर्म एनएलपीएस। बट अभी के लिए वी कैन कीप दिस एज क्लोज, मतलब ये क्योंकि इशू नहीं है।
কি তাহলে আমরা ক্লোজ করতে পারি?
না, এনপিএ লিস্টটা তো আমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছি না গো এখনো। এনপিএ টোটাল সিনাপসিসটা তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
কিন্তু এই ইস্যুটা আর কি যেটা দেবাশিস বলছে ব্যাংকের বিষয় টোটালি, এই জন্য এটাকে আমার মনে হচ্ছে একটু রাখা দরকার নেই। এবার আপনারা সবাই বলুন কি করবেন।
ये मैम एक्चुअली मास्टर डाटा मैनेजमेंट जो बता रहे थे ना, मास्टर डाटा मास्टर लॉगिन फॉर ऑल द डिसीज, एमडीएम जिसको बोलते हैं, दैट विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस इश्यू एक्चुअली,
Okay, if they are taking care of this, then we don't
because
need to.
they have to every DCCB has to enter at the start of the year every year.
Okay.
So uh, ओके ओके, लेकिन सर वो चेंज करने का राइट आपको व्यू राइट्स होना चाहिए, मतलब आप एडिट नहीं कर पाएंगे, आई थिंक आपको वो चाहिए होगा ना।
No, we don't want option to change. And there is another thing I'd like to mention in this context, Ankit ji. Very recently, one of our auditors has complained that someone from the SI team has entered through the audit login and given adjustment entries without letting us know. And this kind of security violation, login security violation, is not acceptable. So we have that particular auditor has followed the audit trail, and he has seen that some SI has done the adjustment entry. You see, the
Yes, yes, I
adjustment
think
entry done by an
Manas sir had
SI.
highlighted this issue from.
Yeah, by SI. Another auditor as Manush has also, but another auditor has also reported to me that this kind of violation is not acceptable. You see, the adjustment entry done by someone else is not. We are not responsible for that.
Right, right.
So this
I
kind
think
of
Mahmoodji,
security violation
Madam,
cannot
but the
happen.
audit credentials we are giving only for the auditors, ma'am, not to SI. Whether
How are
auditor
they
is sharing
getting?
their credential
How are
to
they
SI
getting?
means, yes, ma'am.
This is not. Yes, that, very easy. Route 123 is known to everyone. Everyone.
Okay, sir. Then we do one thing. We give the option to change the password to auditors. Then they can change their own password.
Yeah. You should allow us to forget password option should be there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Another thing, ticket raising tools, ticket raising tool. Uh-huh. Uh,
OTP based. OTP based. Yes. And also give a strict message to the SI team of PG so that they don't repeat this.
sure, ma'am. I'll convey this message to SR team, ma'am.
This is a bad
So,
practice.
yes, ma'am. Misuse of credentials, it's not a good thing. Anyway, I'll convey the message
Unethical.
to
This is
SR team.
unethical.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically unethical.
Unethical, right. Plus, also, ma'am, you have the option to change the password as well. So that thing also you can exercise to address this issue. Right, ma'am?
It, you can.
That's what, ma'am. I'll pass on this message to the SI team that they don't misuse the credentials of auditors.
Yes,
Plus,
yes.
what I would suggest is you also have the option to change the passwords as well. That also you can access to
Yes.
solve this issue. So
OTP based
maybe
password.
I would suggest the CRP password itself you can change, ma'am, the auditor's password. So I think that will also solve
In the,
this
in
issue.
the, in the login page, it is available, Ankit.
Yes, yes, yes. In the login page, once you enter in the system, you can change the credentials.
Okay.
So here
So
itself only it is available. If I go
yes,
there,
yes.
login page. So here I have the option to change the forward password.
Okay. Okay. Forget
From
password.
here only you can change your password. Okay. Sir. Okay, okay. Okay, sir. We will fix this issue, sir. Whatever the auditor mobile number you are providing in the audit details, based on that only the system will be sending the OTP to your number. Okay, sir. That we will fix it. Okay, okay. Okay, sir. You do one thing, sir. You do one thing. Just log in with your normal credential with the root password. Then after that, go into the audit model. In the system, ask you to provide your information, basic information of your name and designation, email ID, mobile number. So whatever the mobile number you are providing in that screen, for that only we will send the OTP now onwards. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. We note it, sir. We note it. So coming to next point, the eighth one. So packs with multiple provision required for profit and loss transfer, appropriation, and interbranch GL transfer. SOP for consultation of the final accounts in ERP packs with multiple branches is attached. So already it is available, ma'am. Whatever the profit we are generating in branch level, we can do the transactions like appropriation, and you want to transfer those profit into the HO level, we can do it by having adjustment entries having in the system. Let me show you. Uh, for example, in chart of account, FS chart of account, we have this account, ma'am, branch adjustment account. On this, the society people has to be create their HO and branch accounts. By using these accounts, they can transfer their accounts from branch to HO to branch. So like that, they can do the transactions, ma'am. It is already available in the system. So apart from this, you are asking any other thing from point number 8.
হুম মানুষ আছে মানুষ আছে মানুষ কিছু বলবে বল মানুষ আছো
হ্যাঁ রয়েছে রয়েছে
মানুষ হ্যাঁ বলো বিষয়টা একটু
Actually, we have not yet started any batch with multiple branches. So it is quite difficult right now to know the whereabouts and how the profit will be transferred.
Right. Actually, as rightly pointed out Memuji, till now in the ERP, no packs have gone to the packs with branches. They have not gone to the ERP yet. So maybe this feature is already there, sir. Manas sir, as Memuji was saying, once some of the packs which have branches, they go to the ERP, you can test this particular functionality. What
Yes, sir.
Memuji,
Yes, sir. It is a transaction only. You have to make a transaction from branch to HO. For that, you have to create the accounts in the branch adjustment account ledger. On that, you have to create your accounts. Based on that, you can make a transactions from HO to branch, branch to HOs. It is available.
Actually, madam, now you can see the demo. Later on, when you do this thing, you can maybe perform the same thing what Memuji will explain. Will explain now during the when doing the audit for those particular PACS. You can observe the process as of now, ma'am.
Ankitji,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
now Memoji will show the demo. You may replicate the same process when you do the audit for those particular branches in the ERP. When they as and when those specs go to the ERP. And if at all at that point of time we face any issue, maybe we'll keep this point. We'll revisit this point that time.
Okay, so right now we don't have any demo to showcase you, but I explain it is live pack only. I explain you how to do this. So in the PACS login, we have the chart of account. On that, we have the branch adjustment account ledger. In that, they need to create their accounts. Like they are transferring from branch to HO, they has to write a create account like we are to branches, or we are receiving from the HO, we are receiving from the branch. Like that, they have to create their accounts in this ledger. After creation of the accounts, they need to perform the transaction on 31/3 by using the FS. In FS, we have the other transfer, prepare voucher, other transfer. By using this screen, they may add their receipt accounts as well as payment accounts. So by using this, the transaction will be completed. In the same way, they need to log in into the branch account, and again they has to create their HO account in the branch user, and again they perform the same transaction in the branch level. Like that, they need to perform the transaction as well HO and as well as branch level. Okay, sir. Now right now we don't have. Yeah, please. Yes, yes. It is available, sir. It is available. No, for the no, 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 no. For that, we need to create account, sir. First, the account should be created in FS chart of account. So it is not demo version. That's why I'm not able to create. It is a live pack. So just I'm explaining how to create. So on this ledger, you have to create your accounts. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Means you require this ledger in both the areas, liability as well as asset, right? Okay, sir. Right now it is available in asset side only, but we'll discuss with our team on this whether it should be cooperated in liability side also or not. Then only we'll update you, sir, on that.
one branch adjustment account should be needed for the CBS transactions.
Okay.
It is auto generated in the system. It should be.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Noted, sir.
And another branch adjustment account should be needed for the PL transfer. It also will be also auto generated. It should be also auto generated.
Okay, sir. Sir, do one thing, sir. Give me sample transaction to us. Ankit ji, can you get
Yes,
the sample
yes,
transactions for those so that we can test it our end?
yes, sir. Devasis, sir, please provide us the sample transactions from the CBS to the PACS as you were saying, huh?
I am
Some
not able
sample, some
to
sample.
show sample. Just they create just any branch transaction account through which they can transact the CBS transaction. That SB account with another branch, they can transact it with another branch through the any branch account. Any branch
That is
adjustment
different, sir.
account.
That is different, sir. That is about you're talking about CBS integration. At the time of CBS integration, it will be taken place, sir. But it is we are talking about branch to HO transactions only, not CBS integration.
If any PACS with multiple branch, already they have the CBS benefit.